Abephume ngobuningi bawo amalungu e-Action SA ukuzokweseka uXolani Khumalo ngesikhathi ezinikela esiteshini samaphoyisa eKatlehong namhlanje ekuseni. Ubuholi baleli qembu buthi amaphoyisa avikela izigilamkhuba.
We believe there are charges that have been laid. They were laid by the suspected drug dealer who was arrested in a raid last year and found in possession of unlicensed illegal ammunition and then inexplicably released by the police without any charges being laid against that dealer and without appearing in court. So ultimately it is ironic that the police will allow drug dealers to go free and then act on the charges that those drug dealers lay against activists like Xolani Khumalo who are fighting for our communities.
Amalungu omphakathi athi uKhumalo uwusizo kakhulu emphakathini, ikakhulukazi uma kuliwa nokudayiswa kwezidakamizwa.
The criminal justice system as well seems to be reluctant to prosecute these people because we have to fight to get those cases on roll because the Justice Department didn't want to put them on roll in the first place. They wanted to release them immediately. After we fought to put them on roll, we fought to so that they don't get bail. They were eventually granted bail and those cases were all thrown out, even though they were found in possession, because we have now come to become a society that is focused on small points. Whereas in the past, if you were found in possession, you admitted that the drugs was in your possession, you were convicted of it.
uKhumalo ubhekene namacala amabili avulwe omunye wabantu okubikwa ukuthi wazivumela yena ukuthi udayisa izidakamizwa ohlelweni lwethelevishini olwethulwa uKhumalo. Kanti-ke kubikwa ukuthi isigameko senzeka ngoZibandlela nyakenye.
He's charged on 2 counts, is GBH and pointing of a fire. The police are busy processing his docket. He's now officially detained and then he'll be appearing in court, magistrate court.
Ngomfumfu nyakenye leli qembu lamemezela ukuthi uXolani Khumalo uzolimela kwesobumeya ekuruleni.